I see a lot of people looking on posts and looking for information on the VZ and VY Commodores having problems with their starting. I'll show you at the moment. I've got the fuel gauge error. Service reminder, contact service dealer. Look, no key, no start. Alright, low fuel, it's coming up. Okay, solve the problem. 1, take the key out, turn the ignition off. Shut your door, lock the door, unlock, and then it's all go away. I was going to call me a liar. Yeah, alright, hasn't gone. But anyway, that's one. If that doesn't work, put a push button. Goodbye. When the one I've showed, the first one I showed you where you push the button, that's only if the key don't start or the push button don't start. Yes, I have my indicator stuck on, which it does that. But anyway, like I was saying, with the key, if you go to start with the key, don't work, and then you go to start with the button, the push button, it don't work, then take the key out of the ignition, push the button, unlock it, lock the car, unlock the car, stick it back in, and away you go. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you more codes, how to get rid of them. Cheers.